Yeah, man. I know I look a little extra spiffy. I know, man. It's also been a long time since we've had this angle. I'm not gonna lie. I actually have a shoot in a little bit, so that's why I'm in my my dress attire. It's actually been a very long time since I have been in my dry fit. Feel me? Like it's been a little minute since. Starting to get a little small on me, man. You know what I'm saying? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If your day's not going good, I hope tomorrow is better. Now subscribe, click the subscribe button and notification bell. Right, subscribe. Thank you for your loyalty. We have another POV video, man. It's been a month. It was the in-between season of the end of basketball season and like the start of baseball season. And you know, everything is finally starting to start and settle. And you know, now we're starting to get to it. I wanted to do some 7-on-7 content, but hey man, 7-on-7 teams in Jersey ain't really rocking with me. It's cool. Nothing personal. We just gonna be rocking out with some baseball. Might get some men's volleyball going too. I don't know, man. We gonna see. I would love to get some softball, but I'm not really in connect with any softball teams. The only schools I really go to do these POV videos are the ones that I'm pretty much cool with or have a connection with, either the coach or some of the players. Because it's like, I don't really go to like random games because I'm not gonna give random teams photos. Personally. So, you know, I would love to give my pictures to a team or players that have been rocking with me for a minute. So that's kind of how I go with it. I actually have another baseball game going to tomorrow, but we're gonna see. But other than that, I'm yapping, I'm sorry. In this POV video, it was very gloomy outside. And I wanted to do some super sunny photos and stuff like that, but I took advantage of it regardless of the fact. And I used the noir preset for the DTV preset pack V1, and it came out amazing. Like, it came out super, super clean. Mind you, the camera quality carried, but also it's just the noir tint really enhanced the gloominess and it allowed it to, because as you can tell, at the very beginning of this video, I did try to go ahead and make it look like it was sunny outside and stuff like that and try to go with that vibe, but it just wasn't matching with all of the photos. So I'm just like, all right, I'm just gonna embrace the fact that it's gloomy, dark, and you know, it's not a super sunny day. So I went with that vibe, it came out amazing, and you know, that's pretty much that. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get right to it. I'm gonna check out the preset link search down below if you would love your photos to come out like any one of the ones you're about to see in this video. And without further ado, let's get right to it.
Tacho, mátalo, 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 Isao. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, Alani. They don't know the arm.
My apologies. Should be good. Excuse me, guys. Can I get right here real quick? My apologies. Right here.
Si tú lo dejas así, no se pasa. Te sale mal. Yo sé, yo lo conozco.
Ball time. Go ahead. Throw it back.
Lo mismo, vamos. Vamos. Esa bolita, como uno dice, con la muerta ahí. El bombito, como digo yo. Un cambio en el piso ahí. ¿No le queda? Do it! Ball. We're good.
All right, we back, man, we back. I mean, y'all know the drill. What was y'all favorite photo from this POV video? Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know which one is my favorite. And what I do, football is my favorite sport, but baseball is second place. Quite literally, baseball is second place because there's so many beautiful action shots to get, running amazing shots. Pitching is just amazing to get shots of, and there wasn't even any pitching shots in this video, but pitching is just so many amazing shots to get from pitching, and there's so many amazing shots to get from hitting, sliding, running, whatever the case may be, bro. It's just amazing shots to get. I feel like when it comes to baseball, it can be a little dull depending on the level of what you're taking pictures at, like these games, but if you're taking photos of a baseball game at any like decently good high school team or even college for that matter, you're gonna have a great time. And the pictures are gonna be elite. I know a lot of people are probably gonna ask like the entire shoot, why do I use my 70-200 when I have my 100-400? And that's specifically because I'm not really too much of a fan of my 100-400. It will work nicely for outdoor. If it was a sunnier day, you know what? When there is a sunnier day, I will use my 100-400. Because my camera allows me to crop in, because I shoot at a super high megapixel, it allows me to crop in without losing any detail. So you saw that I was able to shoot somebody that was a little bit further back from the bases, and the quality of it is still great. But at the same time, I can still take pictures from behind the gate of the hitter and, you know, whoever's hitting, whoever's batting, whoever's catching, without having to switch out my lenses and stuff like that. So it was just super versatile for me, and then it was convenient. I didn't have to switch out my lenses throughout anything like that. Y'all know the drill. What was your favorite photo from this? My favorite photo was, I think I'm gonna do two. I'm thinking of two off the top of my head. These two right here are definitely gonna be my favorite photos. When it came to at the beginning, when the game officially started, I don't know if y'all are able to tell, but I turned my shutter, or like my shooting speed to high plus. And that's the highest shooting speed that the Sony A1 goes, and that allows for like 30 photos per second. With that, I wanted to capture the ball as close to the bat as possible as the hitter was swinging. I wanted to capture it as close to it as possible, and that's what I did. And at the same time, the same person actually, he was the catcher. I wanted to catch the ball right before it went into his glove, and that's why I had to put it in the high plus. I think I was at 2500 shutter, and you know, I was able to get it. I'm glad it's baseball season, man. I kind of missed it because I didn't do that much last year, but we back. Other than that, that's enough yapping for me. I appreciate y'all for everything. Other than that, thank y'all so much for everything. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out the preset link in the description down below if you would like for your photos to come out like any of the photos in this video. Don't forget, Noir, that is the preset that I used. You go ahead and adjust it to your settings. Remember, you can use it on a sunny day, but I used it when it was gloomy outside. That's the best time to use it, I promise you. Preset link, don't forget to check out the preset link in the description down below. Check out the merch link in the description down below. And don't forget to check out the broadcast link in the description down below. We are at, I think, almost 550 members in there. I actually just did a $100 giveaway in there. I don't know, I just really felt like giving back to y'all. So I did a $100 giveaway. I just gave y'all a task to do to make it as fair as possible. The first 5 people to DM me with their Cash App and do the task, those are the ones I picked. And you know, 5 people, I cashed out all of them $20. So I'm gonna be trying to do those not too often, all right? I'm not rich, please. But just to get back to y'all, because y'all are super, super supportive, and I really do appreciate y'all. And I wanna keep y'all engaged, keep y'all like, you know, I want this to be a really, really dope interactive community. So we're gonna keep it pushing. And you know, maybe at 5K, maybe at 5K. Anyways, thank y'all for everything. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. See you next one.